Hey everyone, welcome back to Heal Point Medicals. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all too familiar for many, the pesky dry cough. A cough is a natural reflex of our bodies in order to clear irritants and mucus from airways. When we inhale something that irritates the throat or lungs, it triggers a cough to try to expel it and keep the airways clear. But fear not, because we've got some fantastic home remedies that will help you kick that dry cough to the curb. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our health and wellness tips. Now let's get started. There are two main types of coughs, productive cough and non-productive cough. Productive cough, it means that the patient is coughing up phlegm or mucus from his/her lung as well as bronchial tubes. Non-productive cough, dry cough, is another name for a non-productive cough, usually caused by irritation or inflammation. It does not bring up any phlegm or mucus when coughing. Triggers can include infection, asthma, allergies, smoking, and pollution. Let's explore home remedies that may help provide relief for stubborn dry coughs. What causes a dry cough? Airway hyperresponsiveness, viral infections, environmental irritation like smoke, dust, and pollution prompt coughing. ACE inhibitors. Postnasal drip. GERD. Less common causes include lung cancer, heart failure, and whooping cough. See a doctor if the dry cough persists to treat the underlying issue effectively. And remember, if you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll always be in the know when we drop our latest health and wellness tips. So, are you ready to kick that dry cough to the curb? Let's get started. Our first remedy is a classic honey and warm water. You may have heard of this one before, and that's because it works. Honey is a natural sweetener that's packed with a host of health benefits. But did you know it's also a terrific cough suppressant? That's right. The thick, sticky consistency of honey coats and soothes your throat, providing immediate relief from that persistent dry cough. Warm water, on the other hand, helps to hydrate your throat, alleviating the dryness that often contributes to your cough. When combined, honey and warm water create a soothing elixir that not only tastes good, but also works wonders on your dry cough. Let's quickly whip up this simple yet effective remedy. All you need is a tablespoon of honey and a cup of warm water. You might be wondering why warm water and not cold or hot? Well, warm water is gentle on your throat and helps to dissolve the honey more effectively, ensuring you get the most out of this remedy. All right, let's get started. Pour warm water into a cup. Add a tablespoon of honey. Stir until the honey is completely dissolved. And voila! Your honey and warm water mixture is ready. It's that simple. Now sip on this concoction slowly, allowing the liquid to coat your throat thoroughly. You'll notice an immediate soothing effect. For the best results, we recommend drinking this mixture a few times a day, especially before bedtime. It not only helps calm your cough, but also induces a good night's sleep. So there you have it. A simple, easy-to-make remedy right from your kitchen that can help you combat that annoying dry cough. Remember, the key is consistency. Make sure to drink this honey and warm water mixture regularly until your cough subsides. And with that, we wrap up our first remedy. It's not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to alleviate that persistent dry cough. Stay tuned for more home remedies coming up next. Moving on to remedy number 2, ginger and lemon tea. This isn't just any regular tea. It's a therapeutic blend that harnesses the healing properties of ginger and the refreshing zest of lemon. Ginger, with its robust flavor and potent anti-inflammatory properties, is a long-standing champion in the field of home remedies. It helps soothe the throat and reduce irritation. Now add a dash of lemon to the mix. The citric acid in the lemon cuts through the throat's mucus, providing immediate relief, and its vitamin C content boosts your immune system, helping you recover faster. Now let's get brewing. Start by slicing a small piece of fresh ginger. You don't need much, a 1-inch slice will do. Toss it into a pot of boiling water and let it steep for a good 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor. But remember, we're not just making this for taste. We want to extract as much of the ginger's goodness as possible. While your ginger is steeping, take a fresh lemon and squeeze out the juice. Be sure to catch any seeds before they fall in. You don't want a surprise crunch in your soothing tea. Once your ginger has steeped to your liking, remove it from the heat and add your lemon juice. Stir it well to make sure the flavors meld together. And there you have it, a steaming cup of ginger and lemon tea. Not only is it warm and comforting, but it's also working hard to soothe your throat and calm your cough. It's like a cozy blanket for your throat. Drink this tea throughout the day, and you'll be amazed at how it eases your dry cough. It's a simple remedy, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. And with this ginger and lemon tea, you're not just treating your symptoms, you're nurturing your body and promoting overall wellness. So the next time you find yourself with a persistent dry cough, remember this remedy and let nature do the healing. Now let's talk about steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil. This remedy is a time-tested method that works wonders on a dry cough. It's all about harnessing the power of steam and the beneficial properties of eucalyptus oil to soothe your irritated throat and clear your nasal passages. Eucalyptus oil is a fantastic natural remedy known for its strong aromatic scent that can cut through congestion. It's packed with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which makes it perfect for respiratory issues. Now, let's discuss how to do a steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil. It's a straightforward process, but the relief it can bring is immense. First, you'll need to boil some water, just enough to fill a large bowl. Once the water is boiling, take it off the heat and let it cool slightly. We don't want it to be too hot, as the steam could scald your face or nose. Then, add just a few drops of eucalyptus oil to the water. Remember, a little goes a long way. Stir the water gently to disperse the oil. Once you've done this, it's time to inhale the steam. Lean over the bowl, keeping a safe distance to avoid steam burns. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the aromatic steam do its magic. You should start feeling relief almost immediately. To enhance the effectiveness of this remedy, cover your head and the bowl with a towel. This will create a tent-like effect, trapping the steam and directing it towards your face. Breathe deeply, inhaling the steam in through your nose and out through your mouth. Do this for about 10 to 15 minutes, taking breaks as needed. The warm steam combined with the eucalyptus oil not only soothes your throat, but also helps to loosen any mucus, making your cough more productive. And that's it. You've just learned how to do a steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil. It's a simple yet effective way to find relief from that dry cough. Make sure to cover your head with a towel to trap the steam. Our fourth remedy is a household favorite saltwater gargle. As unassuming as it may seem, this simple solution holds the power to ease your dry cough in a jiffy. The science behind it is quite straightforward. When you gargle with salt water, it helps to moisturize the throat's dry mucous membranes, thus reducing the irritating tickle that prompts a dry cough. Now let's walk through the process. You don't need any fancy ingredients or complex procedures. All you need is a glass of warm water and a teaspoon of table salt. Yes, you heard it right, just regular salt that you'd find in any kitchen. Pour the salt into the warm water and stir until it's completely dissolved. And voila, your saltwater solution is ready. Now take a big gulp, tilt your head back and gargle. Remember, the key here is not to swallow the water but to swish it around your throat. After a few seconds, spit it out. Repeat this process a couple of times and do it several times a day. You'll start feeling relief almost instantly. But what's happening when you gargle? As the warm salt water washes over your throat, it draws out fluids from the inflamed tissues. This reduces the swelling and eases the discomfort. Furthermore, the salt water also helps to wash away the excess mucus and irritants from the back of the throat, reducing the urge to cough. The beauty of this remedy is its simplicity and accessibility. Regardless of where you are, you can easily whip up a saltwater solution and soothe your dry cough. Plus, it's completely natural, so you don't have to worry about any side effects. So the next time you're plagued with a persistent dry cough, don't forget to try this time-tested remedy. It might seem too simple to be effective, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. This helps reduce inflammation in your throat, providing much-needed relief from that persistent dry cough. Last but not least, let's talk about herbal honey cough syrup. This remedy is a gem, a natural alternative to the commercial cough syrups that are often packed with additives and chemicals. With herbal honey cough syrup, you're not only getting a solution for your dry cough, but also reaping the benefits of natural, wholesome ingredients. Now let's delve into the process of making this potent potion. The main ingredient, of course, is honey. As we've mentioned earlier, honey is a natural cough suppressant, and it also has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off the infection causing your cough. But what makes this remedy extra special are the herbs. You can use a variety of herbs, but for today, we're going to focus on thyme and sage. Both these herbs have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. Thyme is known for its ability to relax the muscles of the trachea and bronchi, which can help alleviate coughing. Sage, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that can help soothe a sore throat. To prepare this herbal honey cough syrup, you'll need half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme leaves, or 1 tablespoon if you're using dried, and 1 tablespoon of fresh sage leaves, or half a tablespoon if using dried. Begin by lightly crushing the herbs to release their essential oils. Then combine the honey and herbs in a small pot. Warm the mixture over low heat for about 10 minutes. Be careful not to let it boil. We just want to infuse the honey with the herbs. After 10 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool. Once it's cooled, strain the mixture to remove the herbs. What you're left with is your very own homemade herbal honey cough syrup. Store it in a clean jar with a tight-fitting lid. It can be kept at room temperature for up to 2 months. Whenever that dry cough starts to bother you, take a spoonful of this herbal honey cough syrup. It's a comforting and effective remedy, providing sweet relief from that persistent cough. The dry cough, in particular, can prove to be extremely irritable. In many instances, the application of simple home remedies such as honey, steam, and soothing herbs can help relieve the throat pain. Some over-the-counter cough suppressants may also help dampen the coughing. However, if your dry cough does not go away or you suffer from serious symptoms, always consult a doctor. Addressing and treating the primary cause, which could be an infection, asthma, GERD, or something more serious, alleviates chronic dry cough. Remember, everyone's body responds differently to remedies, so try them out and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.